Extended reality is an inclusive term to describe a spectrum of immersive technologies encompassing virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, MR, and what's really neat is technologies that have yet to be imagined are also included in that spectrum. And what can we really accomplish with extended reality technologies that can't be accomplished with traditional educational modalities? How can we design experiences that are accessible to a wide variety of audiences? And to what extent can XR technology replicate authentic practices that learners can master in the XR environment and then transfer those skills to the real world?
What Unity College is trying to figure out is how can we provide a level of access through technology, a level of immersion through technology, a level of connectivity between communities all over the world using technology in a meaningful way that is much more immersive, much more tactile, much more experiential than simply a video or a web screen.
So we designed a simulation of a deciduous forest for our students to explore with realistic wind and shadows and soundscapes, and it offers the students the feeling of actually being there. Students are equipped with tools such as a laser rangefinder and tasked with realistic missions to estimate animal populations.
The process of developing this extended reality, what I call distance sampling experiment, started when David Bass Clark approached me looking for ideas in how we might be able to use extended reality. This seemed particularly suited to the extended reality in that you can simulate an environment. In this case, it's a forest. And we're going to have an animal we're going to count, and we decided on rabbits. And you can actually know how many are out there, so a student can try their best to count them. And basically it will illustrate that they're not seeing all of them. And then we can extend on that in future weeks, and this is how we're working with the instructional designers, to build on that idea initially of what is detectability, to then starting to actually teach an actual technique that is used to get at the question of detectability.
We believe that the future of education, the future of solving the climate change issues of our time, is going to be rooted in technology, and more specifically, XR. Many folks do not have the resources to travel to Alaska, to go into the Indian jungle, to look at different species that are extinct in a way that is beyond a two-dimensional screen or a book or an orator explaining the majesty of a creature and or an experience.
You can imagine from the comfort of your home stepping onto a research vessel heading out into the open ocean. You're going to embark on a scientific expedition to estimate whale populations in an effort to conserve marine life. And I'm sure you've heard of hands-on learning, but we're always dreaming up new possibilities to redefine what does it really mean to be hands-on.